Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rounded rectangle. Then run this fill color, pick up the stroke color, and increase this stroke value. Hold shift and rotate this rectangle. Hold shift and select those points, drag. Select this rectangle, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Again, hold Alt plus Shift, copy another rectangle and decrease this size. Now, select those objects and group it. Now select all and align horizontal and vertically center. Now, select these small portions, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust on the top. Select all, go to object and expand. Select those, go to Pathfinder and click Unit and repeat. Now change the color for more attractive.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.